Do you want to hide photos and videos on your iPhone? If yes, it is very easy to hide photos and videos on iPhone. Just watch our video carefully and follow our video step by step. I will tell you how you can easily hide photos and videos on iPhone. So let's start the video. Step 1. First of all, open the Photos app. Step 2. After that, come to all the photos. Step 3. Then from here select the photos which you want to hide. You can also select videos. Step 4. After that, click on the share button here and scroll up. Step 5. You will see the option to hide. Click on it and then a small tab will open where it is written that this photo will be hidden but can be found in the hidden album. You can choose to show or hide the hidden album in settings. So after that, simply click on hide photo. Wow, your photo is hidden. Step 6. Now we check. So for this, you have to go to the album, scroll a little, and at the bottom, you will see hidden written. Click on there. Now you can see here that the photo we had hidden is saved here. So this is it in today's video. We hope you must have enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe to the channel. See you in another new video. Goodbye and thanks for watching the video.